friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Coolpad in India, the Coolpad 3 Plus. So Coolpad 3 Plus or the Coolpad Cool 3 Plus was launched a couple of weeks back, and this device sells for 6,000 rupees in India for the base variant. That's 2GB RAM variant. There is also 3GB RAM variant which is priced 6,500 in India. So these are the two variants. So we'll do the unboxing of this device and we'll show you the device. So this is the box packing. You can see Coolpad Cool 3 Plus mentioned, and back of the box mentions all the important specifications. 5.71 inches HD plus dewdrop display. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio 8022 processor. 13 megapixel rear camera, dual security, face and fingerprint unlock is included. 3000 mAh capacity battery, Android 9.0, and that's specifications. And it also comes with 8 megapixel front camera for selfies, and we have the blue variant of the device, and we'll get started with the unboxing. So in case you are interested in SAR value, you can see the SAR value of the device. 0.371 is the head SAR, 1.26 is the body SAR for this device. So that's the device, and this is the ocean blue variant of the Coolpad Cool 3 Plus. So let's get started with the unboxing. So let's just open this up. So there you go. Now let's take this out. So there you go, that's the Coolpad Cool 3 Plus. It's a budget offering which will compete with the Realme C2 and also phones like Redmi 7A. So this is the device. So the ocean blue variant. So you can see that it's a glossy finish. Actually it's a gradient color with a glossy finish, and you can see that this comes with a 13 megapixel camera, and there is a fingerprint scanner as well, and you can see that the Coolpad logo also included here. So Coolpad Cool 3 Plus is the device. So you can also see that this has a SIM card on the left side. The right side houses the power and volume keys. The bottom section houses the speaker unit and the micro SD charging port, and the top panel has the 3.5mm audio jack. So let's boot the device, and in the meantime let's see what else comes inside the box. So you get a case included. So this standard TPU case which is included in the box package, and you also get the Coolpad quick start guide. All the details are mentioned here. Then there is a screen guard included here. So a screen guard is included, and then we have the warranty information. You get a standard charging cable, the micro USB charging cable, and there is also an adapter included. So it's 5 volt 1 ampere. So that's pretty basic charging included for this price segment. So that's all inside the box. Let's have a look at the device now. So now we have booted the device, and you can see this is the device. It has a smaller display, and this is an HD plus resolution display which actually feels quite okay. So you can see the display quality actually looks quite okay for the price segment. The colors are kind of vivid. The touch response also feels quite good. There is a dot notch display or even the dewdrop display, and overall it feels quite good for this price segment. Now next let's talk about the software. So this device runs on Android 9.0, and this is a custom UI. Let's go to the settings. So you can see some of the features offered. It looks more or less like a stock Android in terms of features being offered. There is no additional third-party options, but you don't have an app drawer. It's kind of multiple home screens. There is an app store. There's a theme store available. You can download themes, and some additional tools are also included. A few apps are also pre-installed on this device. So that's the software. Let's also go to the quick toggles here. You can see that quick toggles also looks quite okay. So this device has Android 9.0 out of the box. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this device has a 13 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. So it has AI camera mode, a photo beauty mode, face cute mode, then there is bokeh mode. So all the basic modes are included. So here are some of the features available, and let's go to the video recording. So let's see the video quality. You can see that 1080p resolution is supported. That's quite good. So here are some of the camera samples we have taken with the Coolpad Cool 3 Plus. So this is a budget smartphone with 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Now the device also comes with 3000 mAh capacity battery, which should be able to give you a day of battery life. Slightly more than a day can also be expected. Unless we test it, we cannot confirm, but this device has a 3000 mAh capacity battery. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Coolpad Cool 3 Plus, the device which is priced 5,999 for the 2GB RAM variant and 6,499 for the 3GB RAM variant, and this is available on Amazon. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.